English version, class 5, chapter 7, number 1. Number 1, multiple choice question. 1. What is the average of number 2, 4, 5, 7 and 9? Average number, if we calculate the average number, then we need to first add all numbers and divided by number of numbers. Okay, so calculation 2, 4, 5, 7 and 9 equal to 27. Average 27 by divided by 5, okay, 5.4. That means correct answer C, 5.4. And number 2, a cricketer score 48, 52 and 53 runs in the 3 matches. Then what is the average? Average, if we calculation 48 plus 52 plus 53 equal to 150, 153. Then average 153 divided by 3 equal to 51. Then correct answer is D, 51 runs.